Now I request Mr. I.S. Prasad, Senior Vice President-elect, to deliver vote of thanks.
Good evening, Honorable Minister for Large and Medium Scale Industries, Jagdish Shettar sir, our President C.R. Janardhan, President-elect Perikal Sundar, Chairman of Export Excellence Committee Shashidhar, the past President Managing Committee of FECCI, jury members and senior officials of government, awardees of Excellence Award, print and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to propose vote of thanks at the conclusion of 15th edition of Export Excellence Awards initiated by FKCCI. We are very much delighted for the presence of our Honorable Minister. In spite of his busy schedule, he has graced this occasion and also presented the awards for all the awardees. All the exporters has been aware that the COVID-19 has brought down challenges, not only survival of life, but the existence of life. I am sure that the President has made a lot of measures suggested to the government and ably accepted and also implemented by Honorable Minister for Large and Scale Industry. Sir, the state government, by bringing a lot of reforms, especially when there is problem, there is an opportunity in working cloth. Our Honorable Prime Minister vision of 5 trillion economy through Atmanirbhar, self-reliant and make in India, I think the first revolution, the pioneer of state government, through our Honorable Minister has been brought Land Reforms Act and many more reforms. He has been assured for all of you. I am sure that the state government of Karnataka, under its able leadership, will provide all the platform to make ourselves perform, by which we can always contribute for the state economy and national economy. Sir, I am sure that with your vision and also support by our President-elect, President Sri Janardhan sir, has made one district, one product. And if you just take the suggestion of FKCC in implementing and also financially support one-time MSME, I think the state Karnataka will always emerge successful in the years to come. The role of state government is always complementary by way of providing supportive and special encouragement, because Karnataka state is known for IT-enabled services. Through the Digital India, I think we have taken advantage by bringing connect various people across the nation and also world. I am very happy that the response of export, in spite of the COVID, has been received well by FKCCI in selecting the awardees. Thanks to jury members, thanks to Chairman of Export Excellence Committee and the Secretariat who have been done commendable job in selecting the exporters from the state of Karnataka. Sir, finally, I always wish and giving the opportunity to play a role by FKCCI in all your initiatives. I think the state government with the coordination of FKCCI will certainly see that the promotion of trade industry and exporters in the state of Karnataka will be much higher than what we expected. I finally thank the past presidents, the MC members for having graced the occasion, and also the CUM for having financially supported this event. And last but not the least, to thank the print and electronic media for the presence at this event. I wish all the participants, the exporters, I think we are coming out slowly from the COVID. Probably the next year, the state will emerge with much more than what has been anticipated now. So with this, I conclude my vote of thanks and thank you, each one of you, for participating. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.